We live in a world of incredible innovation, smart devices, and genius tools that can be carried on you at all times. With all of these advances in technology come some really cool gadgets. You can pick up anything from incredible wireless speakers to hydration biosensors and everything in between. We are living in a golden age of gadgets and tech, but it can be difficult to know what is the best of the best. To make your life easier, we've done the research so you don't have to. Here are our picks for the best gadgets and new tech money can buy in 2023. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video like this and hit that notification icon. Number 1. IKEA Vapobi Shower Speaker. This little Bluetooth speaker is ideal for those who want to listen to some tunes in the shower. It's fully waterproof, cheap, and comes in 3 different colors. You can even pair 2 together for stereo sound. Better yet, at 50% volume, the IKEA Vapobi shower speaker promises up to 80 hours of battery life on a full charge. It is worth noting that the IP67 waterproofing is only so good, soaking the speaker can affect acoustic performance temporarily, but this is one of the best cheap portable speaker that works in the shower. Number 2. Philips Signa Floor Lamp. If you're on the lookout for a new light fixture, the Philips Signa Floor Lamp could just be the one you've been searching for. Owing to its minimal design and use of fully controllable gradient lighting, the Signa Gradient Floor Lamp is a cool bit of kit. By using the Hue app, voice commands, or smart accessories, you can control the gradient lamp and tell it which colors to use along its line of lights. You can blend colors for natural looks, go for something moody and dramatic, and even set dynamic scenes that move slowly through a light cycle to create whatever effect you'd like. Number 3. Sonos Era 300. You've heard of wireless Bluetooth speakers, but how about an all-in-one surround sound system in one? The Sonos Era 300 speaker has Dolby Atmos capability with 6 Class D digital amplifiers and promises a rich sound with 4 tweeters and 2 woofers all in one speaker. Working over Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and auxiliary inputs with the Sonos line-in adapter to connect traditional devices such as vinyl turntables, CD players, and TVs, the Era 300 speaker is a great bit of tech for those who love streaming music and watching films in a simple-to-understand way without missing out on quality. You can also pair 2 Era 300s together for superior surround sound and immersion. Ideal for evenings watching a film. Set it all up with the Sonos app and get the most out of your music library. Number 4. DJI Avata. First-person view drones have really taken off recently. Allowing you to put on a headset and fly a drone from a first-person view, these unique devices are the closest you can feel to flying like a bird. DJI has released its latest version of this technology known as the DJI Avata. It is made to be more durable and ready for any unfortunate crashes. You can pilot it via a controller or a joystick which mimics the movements of your hand. It also comes with plenty of clever features like the ability to use custom routes, follow a person or vehicle, and return to the starting point if it goes too far away. Number 5. Soundcore Motion X600. This cool and relatively inexpensive portable speaker promises stereo spatial audio at an impressive 50W output. A modern-day boombox for the Spotify users among us, the Anker Soundcore Motion X600 is a quality choice for audiophiles everywhere. The Motion X600 boasts 5 drivers and 5 amplifiers placed in the gadget to deliver sound all around you. It should make whatever you're listening to fill the space you find yourself in, inside or out and about. Remember to use the Soundcore app to alter your EQ for the best listening experience. With a purported up to 12-hour playtime, the battery should last long enough for just about any function you're heading to or organizing, and, better yet, it features IPX7 waterproof protection for those rainy days. Number 6. Nix Biosensors. The Nix Hydration Biosensor is a must for those who take running, cycling, or any other form of exercise seriously and want to get the most out of their training or workout. This biosensor will analyze sweat levels and deliver real-time hydration data in the form of personalized notifications to your smartphone or watch. You'll be told exactly when you should drink, what you should drink, and how much you should drink to help ensure peak hydration. If you're looking to break your 5 km run personal best or 10K cycle time, it's definitely best to stay as hydrated as possible. Even mild dehydration can affect performance, after all. Number 7. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. iRobot, not to be confused with the 2004 Will Smith classic, is the leading creator of robot vacuums with the Roomba range. Getting smarter each year, the new Roomba J7 Plus combines both vacuum and mop in one machine. This itself isn't new, but the company has introduced a new self-retracting mop feature. The mop lifts out of the way when it approaches carpet, only using the mop in the places you want it. In theory, this means a robot vacuum that can be fully independent and doesn't need to be assisted, so this is how the robot uprising starts? Number 8. Sony WH-1000XM5. Back in 2018, Sony released what would become one of the best pairs of headphones available, the WH-1000XM3. Since then we've seen the XM4, and now, Sony has followed up with the WH-1000XM5. If you ignore the somewhat painfully dull naming conventions, these, like their predecessors, are some of the best headphones around. Scoring 5-star reviews all around, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are very much designed for those who would rather not splurge on a pair of Apple AirPod Max headphones. In terms of specs and audio, these are extremely similar to Sony's renditions from before. They offer market-leading audio across the lows, mids and highs, excellent noise cancellation, and you get an array of smart ambient features. The biggest difference with these headphones is the design, offering a completely new look to their predecessor. Number 9. Skydio 2 Plus. There are a lot of drones on the market right now, all offering something slightly different. However, Skydio's 2 Plus has a unique feature we haven't seen elsewhere that really helps it to stand out. Through technology known as keyframe, you can plan out routes that the Skydio 2 Plus will follow. You can define complex camera movements and then choose what speed the drone will approach these routes. Skydio's aim with this feature was to be able to give anyone the ability to get clean drone shots, no matter their level of skill. Equally, you can use this feature to film yourself doing something if you don't have someone to pilot it for you. Number 10. DJI Action 2. DJI, along with GoPro, is one of the biggest names in the action camera market, and with the Action 2, they are going all in on modular features. With strong magnets attached to the camera, you can quickly switch attachments, throwing on a tripod, helmet mount, waterproof cases, a screen and other features you'll need when trying to keep a camera attached to your body as you leap off a cliff. Along with the magnetic modular attachments, the DJI Action 2 also succeeds at the features we would expect from an action camera. It offers 4K 120 frames per second footage, it has image stabilization to keep your footage level through the action, and it is water, dust, and drop proof. Number 11. Transparent speakers. Apart from public toilets, there are few things in life that aren't made better by being see-through. Case in point, this speaker that replaces its housing with tempered glass. Its creator, the Swedish design studio Transparent, says that its speakers use durable, recyclable materials. Each of the devices can be used alone as a Bluetooth speaker, paired together as a stereo sound system, or plugged into existing audio equipment. It's upgradable too, with a compartment at the rear that can hold and power various modules, a voice assistant, for example, or new wireless tech. Number 12. Theragun Prime Massage Gun. Recently you might have noticed that social media is filled with deeply satisfying slow-mo videos of people pummeling their legs with massage guns, but what exactly is going on? Well, rather than having to fork out on physiotherapy, massage guns are like having a private masseur on hand for a quick post-workout session. The Theragun is the one such gadget. It looks like a cross between a weapon and a power tool, and actually when you switch it on you could be forgiven for thinking it's both, but in reality, the Theragun Prime is a percussive therapy device, designed to massage your muscles by rapidly applying pressure to your body up to 40 times per second. Okay, this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.